Ever feel like no matter how hard you grind, your money just evaporates? Like you're doing everything right, but one random bill or subscription pops up and wipes you out again. It's that feeling where payday hits and disappears in 24 hours, and you're left wondering, bro, how am I still broke? We were raised on that classic line, just get a good job, save money, be responsible. But nobody mentioned that the whole system is literally built to drain every extra dollar you make. They didn't tell us companies study human psychology like it's a sport, and that the game is rigged before you even start playing. And here's the part that hits. You're working harder than your parents ever did, but somehow you feel even further behind. Meanwhile, companies are literally celebrating because your stress equals their profits. If you don't figure out how they play you, you'll keep grinding while they keep winning. Doing nothing means staying stuck for years. What's up, guys? It's Sam, your friendly guide to breaking out of the financial trap companies hope you never notice. Welcome back to Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. Quick disclaimer, this video is for education only. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just your internet homie who wants to help you stop getting played. And hey, if you want smarter money moves in your life, hit subscribe so you never miss a game-changing video. Today, I'm breaking down 7 ways companies trick you into staying broke, plus the simple mindset shifts that help you escape each trap. Stick around, take notes, and let's break this cycle together. Bro, companies love selling you the fantasy that anything is affordable as long as it's monthly. They break the price into tiny pieces so you don't feel the hit. But trust me, those tiny pieces stack up like crazy. Most people don't realize they've got like 7 subscriptions draining their wallet every month. And when you add it up, it hits way harder than you expect. That so-called affordable life is actually eating your paycheck alive. Here's the wild part, your $35 a month deal that felt harmless ends up costing over $1,600. Imagine how much freer you'd feel if you actually own your stuff instead of renting it forever. Trap number 2 is something every guy my age gets hit with: convenience. Companies know we want everything fast, effortless, and zero friction. And the crazy part, the easier they make it, the more money they quietly drain from us. Most people don't even realize this, but about 60% of what we buy is straight up impulse. Like, not planned at all. And companies love that, because the less we think, the more we spend. But imagine flipping the script. Instead of buying because you're bored or the app makes it too easy, you add a little bit of intentional friction. Suddenly, you're not controlled by convenience. You're in control of your money again. Bro, companies are masters at making you think leveling up your lifestyle is normal. They want you to feel like every raise means you gotta buy the newest upgrade. But the truth is, that mindset keeps you broke even when you start making real money. Here's the wild part, almost half of people making 6 figures are still living paycheck to paycheck. Like, dude, they're earning big money but spending like crazy because lifestyle creep took over. Companies love this because the more you upgrade, the more they win. But here's the move: upgrade your income, not your lifestyle. The real flex is living with margin, savings, and options while everyone else is burning cash to impress people who don't care. Like Morgan Housel said, man, wealth is what you don't see. Alright fellas, trap number 4 might be the sneakiest one yet. Companies know you'll hesitate at a big price, so they slice it into tiny little charges that feel harmless. But those tiny charges add up faster than you think. Most people don't even notice because the charges feel so small. But this is what I call death by 1,000 cuts. Every little add-on quietly slices your money away, and before you know it, half your paycheck is gone and you can't even remember why. Here's the real danger: 70% of people underestimate their recurring charges, and autopay makes it even easier to miss. That only for $0.99 you ignore every month becomes real financial leakage. And like Charlie Munger said, compounding only works when you stop interrupting it. Let's talk about the trap almost every guy falls into: status chasing. Companies don't just sell products anymore, they sell identity. And when you buy into that lie, you're basically paying for a personality upgrade you never needed. But here's the real twist: 64% of people buy stuff just to feel better about themselves. That means companies literally profit off your insecurity. And the more you compare yourself to influencers, the deeper you fall into the trap. The crazy part, you think you're buying happiness, but you're actually buying more insecurity. Real confidence isn't something you swipe your card for. It's something you build through actual growth. Like Dave Ramsey says, we buy things we don't need with money we don't have to impress people we don't like. Trap number 6 is something companies absolutely love, because it hooks dudes our age instantly: gamified spending. They know every badge, reward, and dopamine hit feels like a little win. But what looks like a win is actually a setup to make you spend way more without noticing. Companies basically hack your brain by turning spending into a game. Every ping, every notification, every little reward is designed to trigger the same dopamine spike you get from winning. The crazy part, the average guy checks his phone 144 times a day. So that's 144 chances for companies to get into your wallet. But here's the real plot twist. You can flip this whole system. Instead of letting apps gamify your spending, you can gamify saving. Turn your money goals into challenges, streaks, and progress bars so every smart decision feels rewarding. Companies make spending feel like a win. But real wins happen when you keep your cash. Trap number 7 is wild. Because saving is supposed to help you. But most people avoid it because it just feels boring. Companies make spending look exciting, flashy, and fun. Meanwhile, saving looks like watching paint dry. So no wonder we ignore it. But here's the twist. Saving only feels boring because it's invisible. You don't get a notification, a dopamine hit, or a shiny package at your door. That's why the cheat code is simple. Automate your savings so it grows without you even thinking about it. Because once saving becomes visual and emotional, everything changes. Instead of feeling deprived, you start feeling secure, like you've got a safety net that keeps life from turning chaotic. Like Robert Kiyosaki said, it's not just about making money, it's about keeping it. Today we covered the 7 traps companies use to keep you broke: fake affordable payments, convenience addiction, lifestyle creep engineering, endless microtransactions, status chasing, gamified spending, and the belief that saving has to be boring. Once you see these traps clearly, you stop reacting and start choosing. You take back control of your money instead of letting companies control you. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call. And tell me in the comments seriously, which trap hit you the hardest? Let's turn this into a real conversation where we learn from each other's experiences. This is Sam the Finance. Smart money moves start here. Stay sharp, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.